Now I'm going to make bruschetta al pomodoro. So what you need for the bruschetta: tomato, you dice it, black pepper, salt, bread, extra virgin olive oil, and garlic. You can toast it or you can put it in an oven. I can just put a little bit of oil so it doesn't burn. It's gonna take just a few seconds. I'm gonna take it out. It's already ready, toasted. Now, very important, you do the garlic. You don't need to overpower with garlic. Now, this is the tomato, black pepper, salt to taste, oil, my basil, okay, mix it. That's it. Then if you have a good ingredient, you don't need to be a professional cook. That's simple as that. Okay, that's it. Bruschetta al pomodoro. Enjoy.